So today's video is unboxing and reviewing Balenciaga Triple S trainers. So I wanted these shoes for so long. Obviously it's been a couple of years that they're really trendy, and I see on Instagram all these like bloggers and all these like girls are wearing them, so I always wanted them, but I never really thought of buying them, just because first of all they're very expensive. I mean, quite expensive for a trainer, and I'm not really that much into like trainers and you know, sneakers. I would rather spend that money on high heels. Like, I would love designer heels. I love Louboutins like Jimmy Choo. But I never thought I'm gonna spend nearly £800 on just a pair of trainers, but I finally did, and I received them yesterday. I was so excited to open them and try them on, and but when I opened them, I actually got really kind of like disappointed. So I tell you why, and I decided to do this quick video. It's my own review and my own personal opinion about the Balenciaga Triple S. So for any of you guys that you want to buy your first Balenciaga Triple S trainers, it's really important to watch this video, because I'm gonna point some facts about these trainers that you might not know, and it's better to know before investing all this money to these trainers. And by the way, before we start, I'm just very new to YouTube. Started this channel a few months ago in the middle of lockdown because I was bored, as a side hobby, and I would love to grow it. I would love to, you know, post like random lifestyle videos, mainly unboxings. I do have a few unboxing and review videos. I would love to share my my opinions and sort of like do unboxing on different kind of things, mainly in fashion, designer stuff. So if you're interested, please subscribe. So anyway, let's get on this one. Okay, so I ordered these from Harvey Nichols. It's just a department store in England, and so it's the box is really basic. It's just like a shoebox, like normal shoebox. I mean, if you compare it to, for example, Louboutins, I mean, they're like different thing, but they have such a nice boxes. But the box is just like a normal like trainer box, like you get it from Nike or Adidas. It has a dust bag, like just simple whatever dust bag. It's nothing great. And so, oh god, it's actually, oh my god, I will get to this, that's why these trainers are so heavy. So it comes in the box like that, and let me get rid of this box, it's annoying me. So in the box we have the, I'm gonna show you because this is really heavy. You can't believe how heavy these trainers are. It's like unbelievable. Let me get rid of this box. What else is in the box? Oh, yeah, it comes with extra shoelace as well, like just one extra shoelace. It has already on it, but it just comes with this extra shoelace as well. Anyway, get rid of this. So okay, here we go. The Balenciaga Triple S trainers. This is actually the new version, that's why it's quite expensive. I purchased it £750, which is nearly $1,000. So this is the new one. I mean, the Triple S has a few different ranges and a few different like colors. This is the mesh one, and is the newest range of Balenciaga, so that's why it's more expensive. You can get Triple S probably for around it starts from, sometimes in sale they're around £500. Some of them are 600. This one is 750, is the most expensive one, because it just looks kind of nicer, and it's quite versatile. You can wear it with, it's very you know, the colors are quite good, so that's why I bought it, because I can wear it with any kind of outfit. It's quite neutral, it's very versatile. So one of the things that as soon as I received this shoe is that it's so heavy. Like, it's unbelievable how heavy it is, and I can't really say like how heavy it is, because, sorry, just my cat trying to go to this shoe box. I really need to put it up here right now. So yeah, basically this shoe is really heavy, and I don't really know why. I feel like I'm holding 3 pair of shoes instead of like 1, and the fact that when I tried it, because it's so heavy, I just realized that it's so difficult to walk with them. So if you're thinking to buy these trainers so that you can do a lot of walking with them, or maybe some of you might fancy running with them, it is impossible because the shoe is very heavy and it's like a leg workout. So you need to actually train yourself walking with Balenciaga TripleS. I don't think it's designed for long walks. I just think you have to treat it like a normal shoe because it's very, very heavy to kind of like, you know, there are a lot of these chunky trainers. I'm actually wearing one from Nike. I will show you later. Although they're chunky, they're fine, they're light. You can even run with them, you can walk with them. But with these, because they're extremely heavy, it's not comfortable for walking a lot. Yeah, maybe like half an hour or something. It's just not a comfortable shoe. I wore it like for an hour. I walked with it. Every step that I take, I feel like there is like 5 kilogram like weight attached to my feet because it's so extremely heavy, these trainers. And the other thing is that when I wore it, it just makes my feet so big. I don't really know, like, because obviously I'm a size 5, so you can see all the sizes will come with Balenciaga, whatever size you order. I'm size 38, size 5, so it's all the sizes. They it will like show on the front bit of it. So I'm 38, I'm 5. I'm not saying it's not true to size. It's true to size. Like it's fine. I don't really need to go smaller because it's gonna be very uncomfortable if I go smaller. But because like obviously that's a shoe, and then we have this bit like a lot bigger, like it's like outside of this shoe. That's why it makes your feet so big. So you need to bear in mind that it's gonna make your feet look huge when you're walking with these. It looks like, if I'm 38, it looks like I'm wearing like a 41 shoe or maybe more. So it's another thing that you need to consider. And to be honest, like, I don't really know if I like them or not. I think I've heard that Balenciaga, it's like Marmite, so you either gonna hate it or you're gonna love it. So it's one of these two. You can't really have basically, you either really love these kind of trainers, they're like chunky, they're different, or you're just absolutely gonna hate them. I'm kind of stuck in between. I really loved them when I saw people wearing them, but actually when I'm having them, I'm kind of thinking, do they really worth £750? Like yeah, like I love designer shoes. Like I have another unboxing video. It's not unboxing, it's like a review of Christian Louboutin heels. Again, like Christian Louboutin heels are £500–600, quite like pricey high heels, designer heels, but I love them. And I also have in that video I mentioned that I think even Christian Louboutin is kind of overpriced, but you're paying for the brand, you're paying to wear Louboutin. It's not for comfort, or it's not for you know, it's just that you're wearing the Louboutin, the red bottom heels, the Louboutin heels. Same as these as well, you are wearing Balenciaga, so it's not about comfort, it's not about I don't know, it's not about really wearing a trainer, it's about wearing Balenciaga. So you're paying for the name of the brand, for this Balenciaga, you're paying for this specific design that is just, everyone will notice that you're wearing Balenciaga. So if you're that type of person that, you know, you love to be trendy and you know, you're not really, budget is not important for you, and you just want to, you know, wear nice designer stuff, yes, I would definitely recommend having a pair of Balenciaga TripleS, because it's something different. It's still on trend, and you know, it's a designer shoe. It's good to have one. But if you're on budget and you're wondering, should you spend at least, like, I would say £600–700, this one is £750 on a pair of Balenciaga trainers, I would really say no, because you can buy like probably 10 pair of trainers from Nike or Adidas with the same price. And if you're only looking to, you know, just go for a run, just for jog, for comfort, I actually show you what I'm wearing right now is it's actually I bought these shoes. It's a pair of Nike shoes. So these I bought them last year. I wore them a lot, like I go running with them. You know, they look quite chunky, same as Balenciaga. They look really chunky, but they're so light. I walk with them every single day. I go for long runs, like even 1 hour run, I can run with them. Really, really comfortable. Very light, although they're chunky, but like again, and I wore them for 1 year and they still look quite good. So they're from Nike. They were £80, which is nearly 10 times less expensive than the Balenciaga trainers. Again, they're both like chunky, but I'm just like thinking, you know, I always wanted to have the Balenciaga, and I'm glad I bought it, but I'm kind of like think I wasted my money. But anyway, I'm gonna keep it, and because it's just a one-off thing, and you know, it's a Balenciaga, it's not gonna be comparable to something like Nike or Adidas. But I'm just saying is that if you're on budget and you just after some like chunky trainers and you really want one of these, I would say just go for like another chunky trainers like Fila, like Nike. These kind of Nikes are really good if you're just on budget, because they are less than £100. But these are this one is £750, nearly £800, so nearly 10 times more expensive than something like this, which is not even comfortable. Like if it was as comfortable as the Nike one, I would say yes, it's definitely worth it, because it's a designer one. It's you know, it's amazing, but it's not comfortable. That's the thing. Like, this is not a comfortable trainer. I don't really know why it's so heavy. Probably it's designed to be this heavy, because of so many layers. Like you can see, like it's like so many layers of sole it's on this shoe, and it's really solid. I can imagine that obviously it's a very high quality pair of trainer. It's not gonna you know, get damaged easily. It's like you can go to like war with it, I think. Like it's really solid, it's firm, it's really high quality stitchings. It's kind of like everything is, I got it from Harvey Nichols, so it has the price as well, and it's $750. Yeah, and well, I just wanted to really give my own personal review about Balenciaga SSS trainers. So the fact that obviously they make your feet look very big. You don't have to go for a smaller size, because it's true to size. It fits fine. It's not comfortable, but it fits perfect. You don't have to go down, you don't have to downsize, but it's a big shoe. It's gonna make your feet look big. It's quite pricey, it's quite expensive for just an uncomfortable pair of heavy trainers. It's quite pricey. And but if you really want one, I really recommend this one, because I really like the color of it. I liked the you know, the colors is because it's neutral, and it's very versatile. You can wear it with whatever outfit, and I think this one is a lot nicer than the colorful ones. But like the SSS has a few like vintage looking ones that they're like random color, like red and blue, and that one is kind of looks like a teenage boy shoes. But if you really want one of these, I think the mesh also this one is a mesh one, so these are like mesh. It has a clear sole here, like bottom, like clear sole. So final opinion is that in my opinion it is overpriced. Like, I haven't tried any other things from Balenciaga. I was wondering, should I get the speed trainers, the ones that look like socks, or should I get the SSS? But SSS, I think it's more trendy, and well, I don't regret buying it, because I always wanted it, and well, I have it now and I can wear it whenever I want. Due to lockdown, obviously I have a lot of high heel shoes which I can't really wear at the moment, and I think that having a pair of nice Balenciaga trainers will be a lot more practical than having some high heel designer shoes. Hence I bought them. I'm gonna keep them, I'm gonna wear them. I have to learn to walk in them because they are not like a normal sneaker. They're not like a normal like pair of Nike trainers. They are very heavy to walk. Even my hands are feeling heavy right now keeping them. They're heavy to walk. They're just big. They're not great for like running or long walks. I just have to really, I think they're just nice to wear it for like 15-minute walk, go to a cafe or something, driving probably. I have to try driving with them. And yeah, just to keep them because they are Balenciaga and I always wanted them. So I have them now and I'm gonna keep them. So hope you guys have enjoyed my review about Balenciaga trainers. Sorry if you really like them. This was my own opinion. In my opinion, they are not comfortable and I think they're a little bit overpriced for what they are, but I think you're paying again for the brand and for the quality. The quality is really good. And yeah, so if you're interested, I have a couple of other unboxing videos and I tend to post more unboxing videos. So if you're interested, please subscribe and let me know your opinions in the comments. Are you a fan of Balenciaga? Do you like them? What do you think about them? Do you think they're overpriced? And whatever. So thanks for watching. Bye!